Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the lighting panel so you can control scene atmosphere directly. Enable fog immediately and pick a mode. Linear gives you start/end control, exponential gives density-based falloff. Set a conservative color that matches your skybox. Darker fog hides distant detail, lighter fog reads as haze. Once done, set the start to where your geometry begins to fade and the end or density so objects blend smoothly, not abruptly, into the distance. Next, you tune parameters to make the effect believable. For exponential fog, increase density slowly, small increments like 0, 0, 1 matter. For linear fog, set start just past foreground objects and end where you want total occlusion. Make sure the fog color complements your skybox and ambient light so the scene reads as one environment. Once you tweak values in scene view, enter play mode to confirm performance and visual consistency under actual game lighting and camera movement. Finish by ensuring pipeline-specific settings match. HDRP and URP require volume or pipeline fog enabled. Use global volumes or local volumes for fog variations near terrain or indoors. Optimize by balancing density and draw distance to avoid GPU cost. If you see banding or stepping, enable dithering or increase color precision. If fog disappears, confirm camera depth and clear flags use a compatible skybox. Finally, save a scene preset so you can reuse consistent fog settings across levels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.